What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Matic. Currently sitting at $1.14, as well as Ethereum. Big breakout for ETH, up 0.828 on the day. See market cap with 10.52 baby. 24-hour volume 576 million. Let's hop into the chart. So we talked about yesterday in the Matic video that we needed to see a break of the B wave high for a stronger confirmation of a push up to $1.26, and we did see that, a very succulent breakout. Nice 5-wave move. So I do think this is the completion of the wave 1. I dropped this target zone in the Discord, and this is a wave 2 pullback. We're pulling back in between $1.13 and $1.10 before potentially pushing up in a wave 3. Now if we break $1.10, just be careful, as we can invalidate the wave 2 pullback if we break below $1.08, but any break below $1.10 can give you a reason to be a bit concerned. But until then, this is where you're looking for a bounce. So watch the price action. Could be a good long opportunity if we see some reversal candles and signals in that target zone. But it can also happen quite quickly. So as we can see, we had a bearish divergence on the money flow, and we're seeing that pullback. Now if we zoom out to the 1-day time frame, we are still basically consolidating. We did see a nice push up, but you can see the bears pushed it right back down. I do want to show you guys the weekly time frame. Is this KuCoin? Yeah, so the weekly time frame going into Sunday, the weekly close, it's very, very likely we're going to see the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55 on the weekly, which is an absolutely massive bullish signal. Let's see if I can find a chart that goes back far enough. This is the last time we had the bullish cross on the weekly for Matic, right down here at about 1 cent, 0.015, and from there Matic appreciated an extremely juicy 18,600% and went from 1 cent to $2.75. This is the power of cryptocurrency. It can completely change your fucking life. So that weekly bullish cross can be a strong statement of upside continuation. Looking at Ethereum, it's looking really good. We've broken out of a massive ascending triangle. I'll show it to you in a second here, but we're watching this bull flag as well. The target is 2429. Now let me quickly pull up that chart. Here it is. So we broke out of this resistance of this previous high of about 2001, which is a really strong signal, because if we can hold above that level, then we've successfully broken out of this ascending triangle double bottom, and that has a target of 4102. So that would be extremely juicy if we can hold this neckline. If we do lose this neckline, just watch those daily EMAs, as they could provide support. In a couple weeks, we'll print the bullish cross on the weekly 20 over the 55 for Ethereum as well. If we look at the last time ETH had the bullish cross, it was right here in the bear market of 2019. We saw a nice push up. We saw a wave 2 pullback. Right here you had the bullish cross on the weekly, and we went from $219 all the way up to the previous all-time high at about 5K, which was an appreciation of 2,177% for ETH. So you can see how powerful that weekly bullish cross can be in the bear market. All right, gang. So that's it for this one. Just watch this wave 2 pullback zone for the potential bounce in between $1.10 to $1.13, and potentially push up in a wave 3. If you lose $1.10, then there is concern that it isn't a wave 2 pullback. But until then, just as it was here, we had just as we did right here, beautiful wave 2 pullback, and we bounced. So that is your target zone to watch for a potential bounce for our friend Matic. So make sure to sign up to either Bitget or Bybit. We are currently in a long trade, which is in some juicy profits. Gave a signal in the Discord. Up to 8,000 in bonuses on Bitget, up to 8K, up to 30,000 on Bybit. Sign up to either exchange. Watch my full length tutorials if you'd like to. And completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you make your first deposit to one of the exchanges, email me your sign up email with the deposit info, and I'll give you a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here, or you can get direct access by simply signing up to the Patreon. It's only $10 a month. All links in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.